Drop an anvil on a book. What? What? Oh, I got it. Okay, got it. Understood.
How's it going?
Great.
He seems confused about dropping anvils on books.
Oh, yo, that's so cool. That's so cool. We're going to have a lot of books, everybody. Watch this. Your mind is about to be blown here, dude. Okay, here, ready?
That was amazing. Now you have neither anvil nor book. Congratulations. That was incredibly impressive. This is where I'm pretty sure he's laughing, but his Discord is cutting him out. So it's like, I think I just hear the occasional squeak.
Well, that's not what I wanted to have happen. That was a really good book, too. That was a really good book.